We will guide you through how to set up workflows in Wrike. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure the browser is open and ready before continuing. Go to 𝗟𝗏.com and wait for the website to load completely before proceeding. Click your profile icon to open the available account options and access your workspace settings. Select Settings to open the configuration area for your Wrike account. Click the Workflow menu to access the available workflow settings and management options. To set up a workflow, click the plus icon to create a new workflow and begin configuring its stages and statuses. Enter a name for your workflow, for example, Content Review Workflow, making sure the name clearly describes the purpose of the workflow. Add a description for the workflow if needed, providing additional information that explains how the workflow should be used. If you want to change a status, click the Active Status in the Active section to open its configuration options. Rename the status according to your needs, for example, in Review, so the status clearly represents the corresponding stage of your workflow. If needed, change the status color according to your needs to make the stage easier to identify visually within the workflow. You can also configure options such as assign on status change, allow manual transitions, and add approval, or keep the default settings if no additional configuration is required. You have now successfully changed the status. Repeat the same steps to configure statuses for other workflow stages as needed, making sure each status clearly represents its corresponding stage and has the appropriate settings. Once finished, click Save to save the workflow configuration and apply the changes you have made. Click Done to complete the workflow setup and return to the main workflow settings. You have now successfully set up a workflow in Wrike.